Ladies and gentlemen, here is the last type of leather product that we want to talk about, which are hats. We make a lot of hats using leather because they are considered to be of the best quality, and they are durable, they last very long, and they are very neat as well. They match with various types of clothing. They match with the certain kinds of belts and even shoes as well. So leather hats can be worn by anyone. They can be worn by men, women, and children. So this is a business that you can operate and service a variety or rather different kinds of customers. So in order to make a leather hat, you will need a piece of leather, a hat pattern or template, leather stitching tools, leather adhesive, and a ruler. So here are the steps to make a leather hat. First of all, design your hat shape and make a mold for it. We did speak about how to make a mold when we were talking about shoes. So by now you now know the kind of head, the size of the head for which you want to make leather, the leather hats, and the type of customer as well, because men have different head shapes compared to women, etc., and they also need different types of hats compared to the ones that are worn by ladies. So when the mold dries, measure your head circumference and cut out the leather according to the head pattern or template. Use the leather stitching tools to stitch the leather pieces together to form the basic head shape. After that, then you can use the adhesive to secure any seams or edges and allow it to dry out completely. If desired, add any additional embellishments or designs to the head, and after that then your head is going to be ready to be worn. It's a very simple process. You follow the same process that we described when we're talking about cutting the panels that you use in order to make the shoes. The only difference now is that the heads do not have leather soles. You can also maybe consider putting in a garment lining inside the head just to protect the scalp, etc., but it is usually not quite necessary. You can also consider in the patterns opening some holes on the sides of the head, just in order to allow some air to enter, so that you can probably make the head breathable when it is too hot. But other than that, these are the steps. It all depends on the customers that you are servicing. If they need extra holes on the head, then you know what to do in order to place them. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope that from here you are going to start collecting cow hides or animal skins and processing them and making all the various types of products that we mentioned, and you are going to be on course towards opening your own leather product store using the locally available material that we've been discussing. We wish you all the best.